Here are 3 things to remember when you feel socially anxious. Number 1. Other people's opinions don't count. You are the expert on you. Others see only glimpses of you and they look at you from their very own personal lens. You can choose to ignore their opinion or, of course, take something they see on board if you agree. After all, their opinions can't harm you and say nothing about you. Number 2. Focus on things that are in your control. What others think or do is completely outside of your control. So don't waste your precious energy. What you always can control is how you respond internally. You can control you. Number 3. Most of the time, you are doing your best in every given context. Your best is always good enough. And when it isn't, don't beat yourself up, so you won't end up beaten. Life is for amateurs anyway, and we are always in a process and progress. Right now, you are okay, no matter what. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people find the happiness they deserve. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.